This is a used 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric rear seats, leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, trailer hitch, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Planet Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 20403 I-45 North, Spring, Texas 77388.